What's up, bbaliFit? Welcome back for another workout. This workout's called Crescendo, and it's a 13-minute interval workout that's going to build from slower movements to more challenging full body movements. You're going to need either a pair of dumbbells or a loaded backpack for this workout. The intervals are going to be 25 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest in between movements. We're going to do each movement for 2 rounds before we move on to the next movement. You can follow along with us as we do the workout with you. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. That way we can stay connected for future workouts. All right, get your equipment, find some space, and let's get started with this workout. We'll begin the workout with monster walks. Using a band is completely optional. Take a quarter squat and step side to side while keeping your lower body active. We'll repeat the monster walks for one more interval. Next are the Spider-Man lunges. Take a big step forward while keeping your back leg straight and put all your weight into your front heel. Alternate legs every 3 to 4 seconds.
Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing,
We're repeating the Spider-Man lunges for one more interval. Coming up, we're going to do 3 push-ups followed by a 3-second hold at the top before going back into the 3 push-ups.
When the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
We'll repeat the round of push-ups for another round.
We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me.
Next, stand up on your feet and while keeping your arms straight, rotate them forward. Be gentle here, we're still warming up.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
We'll repeat the arm circles, but this time go backwards. Pick up your weight of choice and we'll do goblet style side lunges. Keep control of your weight and take it slow to focus on your form. We're going to repeat the side lunges for one more round.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend?
Back towards the floor for regular push-ups. No pausing here. You can also scale to your knees if you'd like.
Ever break? Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
You're doing great, team. We're doing one more round of push-ups.
Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine.
Next movement you're going to do is a deadlift, and as you stand up, you go straight into a bicep curl. Don't start curling the weight until after you stand all the way up.
The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be
We're doing one more round of the deadlift curls.
close to the sun. Close to the
Put your weight onto the front of your shoulders for front squats. Keep your weight in your heels and try to keep a moderately fast pace.
So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
We're going to repeat the front squats for one more round.
Greetings chosen, I've been waiting here for you since the beginning of this universe.
Coming up, we'll be doing the up-down. An up-down is where you kick your feet back and your body goes into a push-up position. From there, you pop back to your feet and stand up. In other words, it's a no push-up burpee.
'Cause you're the one, you're the one, you're the one, you're the one.
One more round coming up of up downs.
You're the chosen one. Greetings, chosen. I've been waiting.
Get ready for the burn, team. Jumping air squats are next. Drive out of your heel and explode up as high as you can.
You know the world is fading. There's a secret power hidden in your soul. Don't be afraid to use it. There are voices in your head saying that you're a failure. You're not good enough, but you know that's not true. There is a secret power hidden in your soul. Don't be afraid to.
Shake those legs out because we're doing one more round of jumping air squats.
Infinite power.
Awesome job, team. We're on the last movement of the workout, and that's thrusters. You're gonna do a front squat and press that weight overhead. This is the last movement of the workout, team. Let's finish strong here.
Infinite power.
Awesome job, guys. I hope you were able to hang on the entire time. If you enjoyed the workout, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more workouts. I'll see you guys for the next one.